Now, you're beginning to get sleepy, George. Very relaxed. So relaxed you can't move a muscle. Your eyelids are very heavy. You are going to go to sleep now, George. And while you're sleeping, you'll have no trouble hearing my voice. And you will wake up when you hear me call your name 3 times. You are going to sleep now. Can you hear my voice, George?
Mm-hmm.
Good. No sigmoid jags usually prevalent in schizophrenic personality types. Sleep patterns normal. You're beginning to dream now, George. REM patterns unusual. Something very unusual here in the whole Pontine area. When I say the word Antwerp, you are going to have a dream that I suggest to you. It will be a pleasant, vivid dream about a horse in a meadow. Beautiful sight. It will be a good dream, George. An effective dream about a horse. Antwerp. George. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Well, you did dream, my friend. That much I can tell you. What was it about?
A horse. It was about a horse. That one.
What about it?
Don't you notice anything unusual about that picture?
Well, some people find it a bit overwhelming. You know what Freud said about horses, staircases, and cigars?
Was it here an hour ago?
An hour ago?
Yes, wasn't that a picture of Mount Hood when I came in?
Mount Hood?
Yeah, I remember it, don't you?
George, that is Tammany Hall, the Triple Crown winner.
Not insane. I know I'm insane. I know I'm not insane. It's enough to drive me insane.
Back up, George. Dreams are not harmful. For instance, daydreams can be wonderful. I have them all the time. I dream heroics. I save the girl or the whole damn planet. Haber saves the world.
Yeah, I daydream sometimes that I have a cabin by the ocean.
That's nice. What does that tell you about yourself?
That I'm a masochist. Nobody can afford a cabin by the ocean anymore.
You know what I'd like to see, George? I'd like to see you learn to use your dreams. Now, doesn't that strike you as a nice idea?
I don't know.
Well, we'll work on it. You're feeling very sleepy, George. Very relaxed. You're going to sleep in a moment. Now sleep, George. Sleep. In a moment, I'm going to suggest a dream to you, and you will dream that dream. You're going to have a very good dream, George. Beautiful sunshine. No smog. No rain. Antwerp. What the hell is he doing?